All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their digital wall clock for table or office. This is the box. There's nothing special, of course, so let's just take it out. Nothing else down in the box. And this is the little day clock. Look at that. So you do have some instruction guides here. It tells you how to change your modes, set alarms, etc. It does use 2 AA batteries. And then there's more info here. And even more info here for you to read through if you buy one of these. Now, does it come with the batteries? That's the big question. It does not. So you need 2 AAA batteries. I hope I didn't say AA before. AAA. You need 2 AAA batteries for this clock, and you can set it up this way, or you could use a mount and hang it right on the wall. You'll get basically though this right here. You'll get the date, you'll get the day, whether it's Tuesday, Wednesday, the temperature, and of course the time right up here. And you can set alarms and all that kind of stuff as well if you would like. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this product to us to create an unboxing. Make sure you have some AAA batteries if you order one of these, and that should do it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.